everybody, Justina from Art Behaviour. Welcome to our series of questions. And the question today is, if you are leading a team, what would be colors wise to wear when leading a team? Now, this all depends what kind of position you're on when you're leading a team. If it is to try and get team members productive, if it is to put in steps and actually get them to work with you, I'd be first asking, what are the relationships you have with your team members right now? And are you actually aligning with and understanding their values? And if not, if they're kicking back against you, then what kind of colors can help with that? Obviously, reach out because we can explore that more. But the general colors to get people to really work with you are your deep blues. So like your indigo blues. So if you think of like NatWest colors, those are really, really deep blues to get you to build the trust that you can obviously implement and move things through. If you're having to be quite strict and move things and you need quite strong discipline, then sometimes having that blue and that red together work really well.